with this video here.
Remember when everyone said tech was the golden ticket? High salaries, financial freedom, buy a house at 25? We all believed it. Six-figure starting salaries, stock options, the works. But here's what nobody mentioned. We're broker than college students surviving on ramen. Tech salaries are actually dropping for the first time in decades. Front-end developers are making less than 2 years ago.
Wow, that's crazy. Because that is sorry, keep for seeing I need to get rid of seeing that's annoying. And then I said it again, bro. Sorry. What I was going to say is that a lot of people say that it doesn't make sense to do like IT degrees and stuff anymore because AI is going to take it over, right? And for me personally, well, you'll see how I build my project, right? I mean, bro, I won't see AI taking over anytime soon, right? But I would like to say that if you're not using it, I mean, it's like, brother, what are you doing, right? Because I mean, it's here to stay, and obviously it makes your productivity faster, right? So for damn, I'm saying man. So for front end developers to be getting paid less, if I'm going to be very honest, it may be due because of AI, because AI can't do front end development now because it's front end development, it's just dealing with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Like they're releasing much to like to do with front end, you know. So yeah, I can see why maybe it could have dropped because of that reason, but let's see, man. But to go back on my point about like degrees and stuff like that, because I'm always in my degree as well, and if I'm being honest, like even today, because I had class today, right, and like the lecturer was giving me like a lecture on like employability and stuff like that. We had to do a module on employability and stuff, and I'm looking at this, I'm like, I don't like this that module is so useless because I can literally just use AI to help me build out a whole portfolio and everything for me, you know. So it's very interesting times ahead. Let me put it like that.
We're broker than college students surviving on ramen. Tech salaries are actually dropping for the first time in decades.
Yep.
Front-end developers are making less than 2 years ago. Meanwhile, your San Francisco studio costs more than most people's entire salary. You need almost $500,000 just to buy a median house here. For a place with
That's crazy, man. 500K for houses, yo, that is wild, son. I'm not paying that, bro. Bro, I gotta move to the Bay, man. Real talk.
their salary.
A baby
You
comes to
need
the
almost
Bay.
$500,000 just to buy a median house here. For a place with vintage charm, meaning the toilet doesn't work, but it gets more brutal. While everyone posts LinkedIn humble brags about life-changing offers, most of us got tiny raises that don't cover inflation. Congratulations, you got a pay cut with extra steps, your salary went up, but purchasing power dropped faster than your GitHub streak.
Yeah, man. That is a big issue I've also noticed as well, is that people's salaries don't increase, but the prices of other products increase or services increase. It's like, bro, like is it not like what is the logical sense of something, of a product or a service price increasing while your salary stays the same? It's like that is why to me. But I mean, at the end of the day, that's why they say that you shouldn't really be relying on having one job. You should have multiple sources of incomes coming in, right? So I'm on the side of, I do agree that you should have multiple sources of income, but I do understand some people, they may not be able to do or like or have multiple jobs, right? Because maybe family or children or whatever, right? So to me, I think if products and services increase, I believe that your salary should increase as well, because it's just unfair to the human. But if I really want to dive deep in it, I mean, this is why the government doesn't really care about poor people, man. It's about the oligarchs, the top 10%, top 5%, bro. So I mean, to keep it short, and what I'm basically trying to say is that be a top guy, man. Like like that's the only way, man.
With extra steps, your salary went up, but purchasing power dropped faster than your GitHub streak. But here's the psychological torture. You're constantly surrounded by seemingly richer people.
Yeah,
Your friend joined the right startup.
bro. I promise I didn't watch this video before, man. I promise I didn't watch this video before. I promise, man. Like that's what it is, man. Like, bro, the rich get richer while the poor get poor, man. And look, I'm trying to be in that richer class, bro.
You're
Yeah, man.
constantly surrounded by seemingly richer people.
Because there isn't no middle class anymore, man. It's either rich or poor, bro. Real talk, man.
Here's the psychological torture. You're constantly surrounded by seemingly richer people.
Yep.
Your friend joined the right startup and bought a Tesla. Your neighbor's equity vested perfectly. Meanwhile, you're calculating groceries versus gas while making six figures. Rich on paper, broke in your bank account. But the cruelest part? Everyone expects gratitude. You work in tech, you're so lucky. Yeah, lucky to spend most of my salary on a shared bedroom with 5 roommates who also work in tech and are equally broke. The truth? We're the first developer generation financially worse off than before. Making great money while living paycheck to paycheck because nobody warned us tech salaries come with tech city prices. But here's what you can do. Stop playing the location lottery. Use remote work to live where your salary makes you actually wealthy. Get aggressive with negotiations. Companies lowball because most devs won't push back. Stop comparing your reality to LinkedIn flex posts. The game is rigged, but you don't have to keep playing by broken rules. And hey, if you enjoyed this content,
so yeah, basically to like summarize what he's saying at the end of that video is basically to value yourself, man. Because my uncle, and I keep saying bro, damn it, man. I'll fix that. But and I say it again too. But my uncle yesterday, right? Bro, I don't know, bro. Like, bro, someone need to like check me right now, man. Bro, I keep saying man, and it's annoying. I was gonna say it again, but hold on 1 second. I'm getting there. Hold on. I'm messing up right now, but that's okay. We do it live. What I was gonna say is that my uncle. So you all know I went on a hike yesterday. If you all see my Instagram, right, on TikTok, and me and my uncle was having a conversation about like AI and the resolution and everything about it, right? And the way how we came to that conversation, because I'm working on something for him right now, something that I think is very good. But to like go back on what we were talking about is that, or to like summarize the conversation is that, you know, AI is here and it's here to stay, right? So it's like information now you can just get it at the tip of your fingertips, right? If you don't know something in 2025, like, bro, you can just chat GPT, man. It's literally not that hard, bro. Like, come on, you use some basic common sense. And if you don't have the common sense to use chat GPT to like get a straightforward answer instead of like, you know, going on Google and search up these different articles, like, come on, bro. Like, time. What a lot of people have to realize is that time is very valuable now. It's not about money anymore. It's about time and what you can get what you can, you know, get complete in a very short time, right? Because like hence that is why I created that schedule video that I did, and I should be coming out soon, and I'm sure what happened, but if you're on touch you'll see it. So it's like that's why I created a schedule, because I want to do things within a certain time frame, right? Because I need to get things done in at this certain time of period every single day, right? And to kind of summarize what I'm saying, because I know I'm kind of yapping, is that you have to be smart on every decision that you do, you know, because clearly job security isn't something that is well, secure anymore, right? So you can't just be relying on this one paycheck and you know, when once you get his degree and you sit there applying for the job, applying for the job, get rejected and stuff. It's like, man, bro, forget about that job, man. Like, bro, create your own skill. Like, try your best to be unique, you know, and make money off from there, you know, because it's like there's gonna be others. Because remember, I'm doing a bachelor's degree as well, so there's other people that's coming in doing this degree. So it's like, how can I stand out from those other people? And that's what my uncle was basically telling me, is that how can you stand out amongst, you know, thousands of people applying for that one same job? So yeah, man, like there's so many things that comes with when like you see your salary decrease because it's like someone else is doing it for a cheaper price. AI comes in also, like AI can kind of make kind of like lower the processes that it takes to complete your job. So it's like there's other things you have to look into as well. It's not just about like our salary just goes down. So yeah, man, just like keep in mind those things. I know it's kind of rambling a bit, but trust me, it's good information to know, and I hope that what I said was very informative as well. So let me go into why most software engineers fail. Let's go into this one.
A few days ago, I had